What's up, trading fam? Look, we all make mistakes. Sometimes it's just part of life. But when it comes to trading and losing cash because you keep making the same mistakes, yes, that's gotta stop. In today's video, we talk about top 5 technical trading mistakes I have made, and I am pretty sure some of you are doing this without even realizing it. Let's make it easy for you to understand, save some money, and level up your trading game. Mistake number 1, jumping into trades too soon. Imagine you are glued to your screen watching the chat. Imagine you are glued to your screen watching the chart like a hawk. Suddenly, a massive green candle pops up. It's the breakout you have been waiting for. You are hyped, you are FOMO in, but the candle hasn't even closed yet. Then, boom, that candle flips into a red one with a nasty wick, and you are stuck in a losing trend, feeling like you just got played. How to fix it? Chill and wait for the confirmation. Don't jump in while the candle's still forming, especially during wild market hours. Patience saves losses. Trust me. Mistake number 2, fighting the trend. Imagine Bitcoin been climbing like a champ. You missed the early entries, so you are trying to catch up. You go long, but your stop loss gets smoked. You try again and it's the same thing. Now you are frustrated and yelling at your screen. Step back for a second, zoom out. Maybe the trend flipped and those breakouts were just fake outs like lower highs. Lesson learned. The trend is your best friend forever. Don't fight it, ride it. Mistake number 3, indicator overload. Let's be real. How many indicators are on your chart? Right now, 5, 8, whole rainbow. When your screen looks like a tech festival, you stop seeing what actually matters. Price action. Too many indicators just mess with your head and make you miss good trades. Keep calm, stick to one or two solid indicators, mix in some price action, and pay attention to what's going on in the market. Let's say trading session or big news. Simple is sexy. Mistake number 4, forgetting the big picture. You have all been guilty of this. You are lesser focused on the 1 minute or 5 minute chart, thinking you have spotted the perfect setup, but then it flopped. Why? Because what looks like a breakout on the 5 minute might be smacking into a brick wall of resistance on the 1 hour chart. The right move, always check higher time frame before you trade it. It's like looking at the map before you drive. It will save you from crashing. Mistake number 5, thinking you are the market whisper. So your breakout plus retest strategy was fire on Monday and Tuesday. You are feeling like a trading god. Then Wednesday hits, the market fakes you out and your stop loss gets hit. No biggie, right? But then Thursday comes and instead of sticking to your plan, you panic. You start throwing random trades, flipping your strategy, and yep, another loss. Here's the deal, overconfidence makes you think you can predict the market's every move. Trust me, you can't. Stick to your strategy, stay disciplined, and don't let one bad trade turn you into a hot mess. Let's do a quick recap of the mistakes. Number 1, jumping into trades without confirmation. Number 2, fighting the trend like it's your enemy. Number 3, cluttering your chart with too many indicators. Number 4, ignoring higher time frames. Number 5, getting cookie and ditching your strategy. So, which ones hit you hard? Drop a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 or all of them in the comment. I wanna know. Oh, and if you are not our community member, Yet you are missing on some huge trades, setups and real-time market updates. Join us, hit that like button and subscribe. If this help you out, let's stop those losses and increase those wins.